Your kidneys are working every second of your life. Even right now, as you watch this, they're filtering your blood, removing waste, balancing fluids, keeping your body alive. But here's the problem. Certain daily habits are slowly overloading them, and you don't feel it until the damage builds up. At first, everything seems normal. No pain, no warning, no obvious signs. But inside your body, your kidneys are already under pressure, and most people don't even realize it. Let's break it down, step by step. Habit 1. Not drinking enough water. When your body lacks hydration, your blood becomes more concentrated, thicker, harder to filter. Your kidneys must work harder just to process basic waste. Toxins begin building up, circulating longer than they should. This creates internal stress, forcing your kidneys to overwork day after day. Now move to habit 2, too much salt intake. Excess sodium disrupts your fluid balance. Your body tries to compensate by holding on to more water. Your kidneys now have to filter extra fluid while also removing excess sodium. This increases blood pressure and over time damages the tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys. These vessels are critical for proper filtration. Once damaged, efficiency begins to drop. Now habit 3, high sugar consumption. Every time your blood sugar spikes, it damages the small filtration units inside your kidneys. These units are extremely delicate, and repeated spikes slowly break them down. At the same time, excess sugar converts into fat, disrupting your metabolism, adding even more stress to your entire system, including your kidneys. Now habit 4. Holding in urine too often. This seems harmless, but inside your body, pressure is building. Your bladder stretches beyond normal limits, and that pressure can move backward, affecting your kidneys directly, increasing the risk of infection and long-term damage. Now habit 5. Excessive use of painkillers. Certain medications reduce blood flow to kidney tissues. This weakens filtration, making it harder for your body to remove toxins. Over time, this damage builds silently, and kidney function begins to decline. But here's what makes this dangerous. All of this is happening without clear symptoms. Your kidneys don't fail overnight. They slowly lose efficiency until one day the signs finally appear, and by then the damage is already significant. But this is only half of the problem, because more hidden habits continue to add pressure, and they're just as dangerous.
Now let's go deeper, because the pressure on your kidneys doesn't stop there. Habit 6. Excessive protein intake. Protein is important, but too much creates extra waste. Your kidneys must filter this constantly, increasing pressure inside the filtration system. Over time, this continuous load builds strain, and your kidneys begin working harder than they should. Now habit 7, lack of sleep. Your kidneys follow a natural biological rhythm, just like your brain and your hormones. When sleep is disrupted, this rhythm breaks. Filtration cycles become less efficient, hormonal balance shifts, and recovery becomes incomplete night after night. Your kidneys never fully reset. Now habit 8, smoking. Every inhale introduces toxins directly into your bloodstream. Your kidneys must filter all of it. At the same time, smoking narrows blood vessels, reducing blood flow, which means less oxygen, less efficiency, and more long-term damage building silently. Now habit 9, excessive alcohol intake. Alcohol dehydrates your body quickly, reducing the fluid your kidneys need to filter waste properly. At the same time, toxins increase, overloading your system. Electrolytes become unstable, and your kidneys struggle to maintain balance. Now habit 10, ignoring warning signs. This is the most dangerous habit of all, because your body always sends signals: fatigue, swelling, changes in urine. These are early warnings that your kidneys are under stress, but most people ignore them until the damage becomes serious. Now step back and look at the full picture. Your kidneys are not failing randomly. They are reacting to your daily habits. Every choice you make either supports them or overloads them. And here's the truth. Your kidneys are strong, but they are not unlimited. If you continue overloading them, they will eventually struggle. But if you support them, they can recover. And this is where everything changes, because small habits create powerful results. Start with hydration. Water helps your kidneys filter waste efficiently. Now reduce excess salt and sugar. Lower the pressure on your system. Stay active. Movement supports circulation, helping your kidneys function better. Sleep properly. Allow your body to reset and repair. And most importantly, listen to your body's signals, because early action prevents long-term damage. Now imagine your system working smoothly, balanced, efficient, stable, energy improving, fatigue decreasing, your body functioning the way it should. That's what happens when you support your kidneys properly. But here's the reality most people ignore. Damage doesn't happen suddenly. It builds quietly over time. And by the time symptoms appear, the problem is already advanced. So don't wait for warning signs. Start fixing this today before your body forces you to. If you want to understand what's really happening inside your body and protect your health before it's too late, subscribe now and take control of your body starting today.